Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
For Jennifer, right?
Yes, well it says Jenny on here, but yeah, I'm assuming.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. How are you?
Good. How's your day going?
Not bad, not bad. Just working, you know, another day, another dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, good.
Yeah.
Are you from around here?
I'm actually just working. This is just my part-time job. I'm basically a comedian. You
Oh,
wanna
no
call it?
way.
Yeah. I mean, I go to stand-up mics. Nothing big, but you know.
That's cool. How long have you been doing that?
Try my thing a few months. But I don't know. I'm trying to do some with my life, you know.
Yeah.
Can actually do a little voice if you want. Do you ever watch Family Guy?
I have, yeah.
Okay, you know the guy in the wheelchair?
Yes.
Joe?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
No way.
I can do him. You ready?
I'm ready.
Hey, Peter. Hey, how's it going?
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Lois. That's not bad, right?
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Like, my thing is, how do you even find out that you can do that?
I was just yawning one day and I was like, oh, whoa, hey, I kind of sound like Joe.
Yeah.
Joe Swanson.
That's crazy.
Yeah, anyways, so. But yeah, what are you doing there?
What? Just stretching.
Oh.
I just got like...
Oh, it's my, play Octopus.
Oh, that's super cool. What is that?
It's like you can play games for cash prizes, and I
Yeah.
get paid $100 a month.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah. So you just going right up here? To the
Yeah.
Starbucks?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a couple more blocks.
Yeah.
So anything interesting happened today?
This lady was like, I don't know what her problem was, but like, I feel like she was just being mean to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Like,
my
not
God.
thankful.
Is that someone like on the floor there? That's so fucking crazy.
What? Where?
Like right there. Literally.
What are you looking
so
at?
weird. Okay.
Like in that
Yeah, but I think
apartment?
it's just a tree though.
Okay.
Yeah, that's so weird. So you were saying about the lady?
No, she was just like being rude to me, like, I don't know, like just kind of disrespectful.
Well, oh, that sucks.
Yeah, but it's whatever.
Yeah.
So
How do you deal with like bad passengers like that?
I live in 1 star and then you don't get matched with them again, so
Oh, no way.
yeah. But
yeah,
you're
this
pretty
is-
cool. I'll probably leave you 5 stars.
Oh,
And
thanks.
tips aren't required, by the way, but they are appreciated. You know, gas prices are pretty high right now,
Of course.
thanks to Joe Biden. But yeah, anyways,
Thanks for what you do. Yeah, you can pull up, honestly, right here. It's
I'm gonna take
totally
you
fine.
just right up here
Oh,
because
yeah.
just so I can pull over safely.
Cool.
Safety first,
Of course.
even if you have to walk in a minute or so.
Thank you so
Alrighty,
much.
well, thank you.
And have a good day.
Thank you. Hey, did you take my tablet? My tablet's gone. What the heck?